Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB flash drive for Windows 10. So to create a bootable USB flash drive, you're gonna need a 8 GB size of memory USB stick. So I have one here, almost 8 GB memory stick, and you're gonna need a Microsoft Media Creation tool. So to download Media Creation tool, you just need to go onto Microsoft website or on Google, type in Media Creation tool for Windows 10, and there it shows Microsoft official website. So click on it and then create Windows 10 installation media download tool. Now you will start to download. Once the download is complete, go on to downloaded files, and there you can see Media Creation tool 21H2 is the version of it. So run as administrator, click yes. You can close these windows. Accept the license agreement. Takes a bit time depending on your computer speed. Just waiting for the process to finish. Now you can upgrade this PC now or create installation media USB flash drive DVD ISO for another PC. So I'm going to select that and then click yes. Select language, architecture and edition. So language is selected English, and then edition Windows 10. So you can download 32-bit or 64-bit or even both. I'm going to select both and then click next. USB flash drive, so it needs to be at least 8 GB. Click next, and there is the USB flash drive is selected. If you go into here, this PC, so USB drive E is selected now, then click next. There you go, it starts to downloading now. So download process takes about 15 to 20 minutes depending on your computer speed. I'm going to fast forward this process, and once the download is complete, then 100% there, then you will start to create the Media Creation tool again. So another 100% you have to complete, then the USB flash drive will be ready. So I'm going to fast forward this process and I'll show you the end result. That's it, the USB flash drive is ready. So let's click finish and then go into the USB. There it is, the setup button is here. So once the setup is complete, just restart the computer and boot from the USB drive, and you'll be able to install Windows 10 with this USB. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.